guys, so I wanted to come on here because I got my shoes. Alright guys, I finally got my shoes from Pashion footwear, and let me go ahead and show you guys how it looks like. So this is how they look like. So they're really pretty, they're really aesthetically really nice and pretty, and I really love the bow it comes with. The only thing I do not like, guys, is like the clip it comes with. It's not aesthetically, like, doesn't match with the shoe. I feel like it looks kind of cheap, the clip they put on it. That's the only thing I don't like about it, but I love how the bow can come off as well. So yeah, this is how it looks like behind, and this is the bottom. And so yeah guys, I really like these shoes. The clip it comes with, aesthetically does not look that nice, but other than that, I do love the bling comes with, and the rest of the shoe is really nice. The only thing, guys, I'm really kind of disappointed with is look how the box came. Yeah, it came in like in a plastic regular bag, you know, the ones that you ship with, and yeah, unfortunately the box came all messed up, which is a bummer because I thought the shoes were gonna be messed up. So what I like about these shoes, and the reason why I order them, is because they can be turned into flats. And when I first got the shoe, I already tried them on and everything, guys, but let me go ahead and show you guys. So this is a heel here, and it comes with a button right here, so you kind of have to twist it. The only thing, guys, these are a pain to remove. That's another thing, unfortunately, that I'm not really liking. But what I'm gonna do is just push this button here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and twist it, and you kind of have to twist it hard. So this is how you remove it, and this is how it looks like without the heel. Let me go ahead and show you. So you can remove the heel by also twisting it like this. Like, once you get the hang of it, it's not as bad, but it's just so hard to remove the heel. So there we go, I removed it. But this one here, I'll also post pictures in this video so you guys can see. When it came, it looked like they were already used, because when you click on it, like this part right here, it looks like it was already used. Then you can just see it didn't look brand new. Okay. And this one, you remove this too when you turn it into a flat. And I have not turned it into flats yet. I just tried on with the heels. So this is what flats look like. Consoles it comes with. So yeah, I have not put these on. As you guys can see, they're like brand new. Oh, I haven't even checked, to be honest. So yeah, you guys, these look brand new, because you guys can see there is no coloring in this at all. It looks like brand new. You just pop it on by itself. So I guess you just pop it on like that, sideways, and then you just click it into place. And then from there, I think, see, it does not move unless you really get in there and move it. But so yeah, it goes like this. So you guys, it looks like this, so it turns into a flat, which is pretty cool. I don't know, it doesn't look right to me. So you guys, it comes with instructions, so I guess I did do it right. So that's cool. And then also, when you scan this, also it comes with a video for you to see how to apply and how to take them off. But yeah, that's how it tells you how to, which is good instructions on how to do it. But I'm telling you guys, that's the only thing I'm not really happy with is, let me see, I'll have to remove this, because so you guys can see they're not easy to remove. I mean, the good thing, I guess, these are a lot more easier to remove. You just gotta lift it up a little and then do it. Because I need to practice, you know, for the day of. Really convenient, you know, for the day of the wedding, because I can do it from heels to flats. So it's gonna be really, really useful. Let me go ahead and try them on now that it's flats. I want to see, because look, it still has like the arch to it. So I don't know how comfortable they will be. So let me go ahead and check. Let me go ahead and try them on. So I'm trying them on now, and honestly, it feels weird, guys. I'm not gonna lie. It feels weird, but they're comfortable. But it's just when you step, it has a kind of, you know, when things bend, and it's like not completely flat. That's how it feels like. So yeah guys, I would have to rate these. I would definitely give it like a 7.5 or an 8 the most, just because of those other things I have mentioned. But yeah, I definitely recommend these. They are comfortable, so it's the mostly thing that matters. Like, get yours today.